Okay, so where did we stop in the last video? Really sorry for that क्योंकि वीडियो बीच में ही कट गया था. So where did we stop? Shortcut method and the defeat. तो रामा राव के साथ क्या हुआ? He came across a journal. Let me read out the theme for you first and then I'll explain what happened in his life next. So we were reading out the theme, shortcut method and defeat, when Rama Rao came across the journal consisting of 4 pages and all of them were devoted to crossword puzzles. Every week वो journal क्या करता था? It offered a prize money of 4,000 rupees to anyone who will come up with the correct answers. Therefore, Rama thinks of investing a little money on it and sends down his answers, but to his misfortune, he never wins. One day, the same journal offers the prize money of 8,000 rupees for solving the puzzles correctly. It excites Rama's vision of a future tenfold. इसकी जो excitement है वो 10 गुना ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है. This time he has to invest 5 rupees which are nearly a week's food for the family. I'll explain it all to you. He feels disturbed for a moment, but ultimately sends his solutions as the thought of winning prize money. As the thought of winning prize money has become dominant over him. However, on a fateful day of results, Rama Rao opens the journal and the correct solution stares him in the face. One second. Stares him in the face as he has again lost and there is no chance of getting back a few annas now. All the losses, disappointments and frustrations of life comes down on him. His defeat leads him to despair, but at the end he learns a lesson that shortcut methods are never fruitful. There is no substitute to hard work, it pays in the long run. हार्ड वर्क का कोई भी ऑल्टरनेट नहीं है. हार्ड वर्क पेज इन द लॉन्ग रन. तो इस शॉर्टकट मेथड्स में हमने क्या देखा? रामा राव एक बार ही कम्स अक्रॉस अ जर्नल, एक न्यूज़पेपर देखता है जिसमें 4 पेज होते हैं और वो चारों पेज में क्या होते हैं? क्रॉसवर्ड पजल्स. और इसमें एक और चीज़ होती है कि जो भी इन क्रॉसवर्ड पजल्स का आंसर करेक्टली देगा तो उन्हें 4,000 रुपीज़ एज अ प्राइज मनी मिलते हैं. बट टू सेंड डाउन द आंसर्स द पर्सन हैज़ टू सेंड 1 रुपी, इन्वेस्ट 1 रुपी टू सेंड डाउन द आंसर्स. अब रामा राव के लिए इट वॉज अ बिग डील टू स्पेंड दैट 1 रुपी टू सेंड डाउन द आंसर्स बिकॉज हिज वाइफ वॉज रनिंग हिज फैमिली ऑन ₹5 एंड दैट टू फॉर अ वीक. तो उनका वीकली बजट जो था to run the family was 5 rupees. Now taking out 1 rupee from their budget was a big deal, but he would quarrel with his wife. He would compel her to give him that 1 rupee. They would literally have that verbal spat, but he would take that 1 rupee for him क्योंकि इसके दिमाग पे कौन सी चीज़ हावी हो गई थी, डोमिनेंट हो गई थी? इट वॉज द प्राइज मनी. सो ही वुड टेक दिस 1 रुपी वीक आफ्टर वीक, क्योंकि एक बार में ही इसने नहीं ऐसा किया. ही वेन एवर ही वुड गेट द रॉन्ग आंसर्स ही वुड ट्राई अगेन फॉर इट. वीक आफ्टर वीक ही केप्ट डूइंग द सेम ही चीज़ वो दोहराता रहा और हर बार ही वो हारता गया. ही नेवर एवर वन एनी थिंग. So one day, what happened? This journal, this newspaper announced the prize money of 8,000 rupees. But this time, how much was they supposed to? How much was the person supposed to invest to send down the answers? It was ₹5 this time. That means उसके पूरे week का budget जो था वो उसको invest करना था आंसर सेंड करने के लिए ताकि वो 8,000 रुपीज़ जीत सके. ही डिड नॉट थिंक ऑफ हिज वीकली बजट. ही डिड नॉट थिंक दैट हिज फैमिली कैन गो विदाउट ईटिंग फॉर 5 days. The only thing that he thought about was the prize money because he had this thing in his mind कि once he'll win the prize he would be able to solve all his problems. तो इसने क्या किया? He invested those 5 rupees at that time also to win those 8,000 rupees. But on the fateful day when he checked the answers, क्या देखा इसने, इसके सारे आंसर्स जो थे, ऑल हिज आंसर्स वर रॉन्ग, दे वर इनकरेक्ट. ही कुड नॉट बिलीव हिज आईज कि ऐसा कैसे हो गया, इसके सारे आंसर्स फिर से गलत कैसे हो गए. एंड दैट टाइम ही बिकेम despair. So whenever he used to lose, ये hopeless नहीं बनता था. He would think about the prize money and all his hopes would revive again within him. But when he lost those 5 rupees as well and did not even won 8,000 rupees, he became despair. उस टाइम ये पूरा hopeless हो गया क्योंकि इसके पास अब कोई ऑप्शन नहीं बचा था. He was not left with any option now. He did not have any source of income. He did not have anything to do. He was blank at that time. इतना disgusted, he was so disgusted and disappointed in himself that he could not think about anything. Nothing mattered to him, not even his life, not even his children, not his family. He ultimately reached to a point where he thought that he would attempt suicide. He would kill himself, he would give up on his life because he thought his life is not worth living. इसको लगा कि इसकी जो लाइफ है वो जीने लायक नहीं है, तो उसने क्या किया, उसने सोचा he would give up on his life, he will attempt suicide. तो एक थीम इसकी despair भी है, एक suicide भी है. तो these are not the strong themes of the story, but they are there, they're prevalent in this short story. So फाइनली ही अटेम्प्टेड सुसाइड. अब इसने क्या किया, ये रेलवे ट्रैक पे जाके लेट गया. तो रेलवे ट्रैक पे लेटने के बाद ही वॉज वेटिंग देयर फॉर सो लॉन्ग, ही टू लॉस्ट द काउंट फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग ही वॉज वेटिंग देयर ऑन द रेलवे ट्रैक, हाउ but he had strained his ears to listen to the sound of the train, but he could not listen to anything except for some rattling sound that was coming from फार ऑफ प्लेस. कोई क्रिस्प सा साउंड आ रहा था, नॉइजी कुछ नॉइजेस आ रहे थे थोड़ी दूर से. कुछ लोग बातें कर रहे थे और वही साउंड इसको सुनाई दे रहा था. अब जब वहाँ लेटे लेटे भी ये थक गया, व्हेन ही गॉट टायर्ड ओवर देयर लेइंग ऑन द रेलवे ट्रैक फॉर सो लॉन्ग, ही फाइनली गॉट अप एंड went back to the station. There he found crowd of people were talking to each other, and he went up to them and asked them as to why the train had not arrived that day at that time. तो somebody answered him back कि train जो है, the goods train had derailed off the track, वो off track चली गई थी. That means the train had met an accident and the road was blocked. Although a relief was sent up, but कोई भी ट्रेन वहाँ से 3 घंटे तक नहीं चलती. When he heard that, he immediately realized. What did he realize? कि God was merciful and benevolent. What do you mean by benevolent? Benevolent means kind. God was merciful and kind to him for giving him one more chance to live, one more opportunity to live, to correct his mistake, to know where he went wrong and to correct it, not to repeat his mistakes again, to solve his problem, to support his family. तो इसको एक और चांस मिला जीने का. When he realized all those things, he literally cried and ran back home. But before going back home, he had realized all his mistakes. He realized that shortcut methods जो होते हैं वो कभी भी fruitful नहीं होते. कभी हो सकते हैं but हमेशा नहीं. There's a risk factor in those shortcut methods. But as far as hard work is concerned, although it doesn't give you immediate results, prompt results, लेकिन they eventually, what do you say, they bow you a fruit at the end. Eventually, gradually, slowly, उसका जो result होता है hard work का वो fruitful ही होता है. It leads you to the path of success. लेकिन shortcut method से आपको defeat भी मिल सकती है, आपको success भी मिल सकती है, और mostly defeat ही मिलती है. और ये बात रामा राव realize कर चुका था. And now he had decided to go for hard work. On that day when he went back home, his wife welcomed him with warmth, जो कि इसने पूरे साल से नहीं देखी थी. Although they were worried कि ये इतना लेट क्यों घर आया था, but he was welcomed with open arms by his wife. Although she asked him as to why he was late, why didn't he come on time, but इसने किसी भी सवाल का जवाब नहीं दिया. When he sat down to eat, his wife again submissively, very quietly, she asked him about his bungalow. एंड व्हाट डिड शी आस्क हिम? द टेनेंट्स, टेनेंट्स क्या होते हैं? किराएदार जो वहाँ रहते थे इनके बंगलों में, वो मिलने आए थे इनसे, एंड दे वर इंटरेस्टेड टू बाय दैट बंगलो, और इनको 4,500 रुपीज़ देते एक साथ. तो इसकी वाइफ ने सबमिसिवली क्वाइटली एक बात क्यों की रामा राव से? क्योंकि वो जानती थी रामा राव विल नॉट बी रेडी टू सेल हिज बंगलो. लेकिन रामा राव एट दैट टाइम वॉज इंटायरली अ डिफरेंट पर्सन, क्योंकि वो उसने रियलिटी देख ली थी. ही हैड अंडरस्टूड द रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ. तो उसने सोचा, दैट इज़ वाई ही आंसर टू हिज वाइफ वेरी जुबिलेंटली, वेरी जॉयफुली, वेरी हैप्पीली, क्योंकि उसको लगा ही विल गेट द लम्प सम मनी ऑफ 4,500. तो उसने कहा कि ही वुड डेफिनेटली सेल दैट house, and his wife also felt happy. And then he decided, then he discussed with his wife about his plan. उसने कहा कि वो 500 रुपीज़ लेगा उसमें से और मद्रास चला जाएगा, बाकी के पैसे वो अपनी वाइफ को देगा, so that she can run the family, and they will also move to the better place, जहाँ पे better locality हो. क्योंकि जहाँ पे उन्होंने घर लिया था नया, वो बहुत ही स्मॉल हाउस था बिहाइंड द मार्केट, जहाँ की लोकेलिटी भी अच्छी नहीं थी. तो उनकी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स इन 4,500 रुपीज़ से सॉल्व होने वाली थी. बट हिज वाइफ अगेन आस्क्ड हिम सबमिसिवली एंड वेरी क्वाइटली, क्या ये 500 वो फिर से क्रॉसवर्ड पजल सॉल्व करने में वेस्ट करेगा? ऑल्दो इट डिप्रेस्ड हिम अ बिट, रामा राव felt bad when he heard such kind of words from his wife, but swore, he emphasized, he swore with great emphasis. उसने कसम खाई कि कभी नहीं, he would never go for any shortcut method in his life. वो 500 रुपये लेके मद्रास जाएगा और there he will start with some business, और बाकी के पैसे जो है वो अपनी वाइफ को देगा और बेटर लोकेलिटी में शिफ्ट भी करेंगे. सो विद दैट नोट वी कम टू द एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी. एंड व्हाट वर द थीम्स that I told you are the strongest themes? One is control, another is battle, and the third one is shortcut methods and defeat. तो रामा राव के साथ जो भी कुछ हुआ, he had no control over it. फिर he did not give up at all. He battled against all the odds in his life. When he applied for those shortcut methods, when he went for those shortcut methods, all he received was defeat. सो हमें भी शॉर्टकट मेथड्स कभी नहीं लेने चाहिए लाइफ में, क्योंकि उनमें रिस्क फैक्टर होता है, हमें डिफीट भी मिल सकती है, बहुत बुरी तरह से हम अपनी लाइफ में हार सकते हैं. सो दैट वाज ऑल फॉर टुडेज लेक्चर. आई होप you like all these themes, you like this video. So if you really like this video, the content as well, do subscribe to my channel and do press the bell icon so that you get the notification of all the new videos that I'll get for you. And you can use these notes for your examination as well. I am sure that they will help you, they'll fetch you with good marks. So take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.